Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all available for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to end up making three waves down for a wave 4 before it goes up and makes a wave 5 to complete what I think is a very clear uptrend on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it looks like the wave A and the wave B is already complete to me. Now, I do have an alternative count which would have this going back up and making a double top before it goes down, which luckily we're just going with the flow anyways. But if this really is the end of a wave B, then this should end up continuing the downtrend like this, making a five-way pattern down. So heading down to the daily. Now what I mean by going with the flow is that the market on the daily time frame is definitely going up. The trend is definitely down because our breaker starts its way up here, but the market flow is definitely up right now. Which means you could look for longs on shorter time frames, but you had to keep in mind that it could end up being a correction to the last wave down. So pay very, very, very close attention to your Fibonacci retracement levels for a possible end of a correction and continuation of the downtrend. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, the fact that we're closing above the 50% tells me we probably will go up to at least a 61.8. For me personally, unless this goes up and breaks structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I would be looking for longs. If it does break structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I would definitely start looking for shorts again for the continuation of the downtrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for three-way pullbacks to go long. We just had another three-way pullback right here. We had a three-way pullback here, a three-way pullback there, three waves down there. So definitely still looking for three-way pullbacks to go long. I definitely wouldn't be going long now. I would only want to go long at another three-way pullback. If we see a breaker structure at a Fibonacci level, like a big engulfing down, big breaker structure, then I would definitely stop looking for logs and I would definitely start looking for shorts again. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.